Hi, thank you for joining. My name is Crystal Olivaria, and I'm the Career Conversationalist. Today, we're going to be discussing the truth about job shadowing. Discover why job shadowing programs are not easy to find. Avoid stereotyping. It could cost your child a good career. Learn how to spot employers investing in the next generation. Job shadowing is not as common as it used to be. Several opportunities still exist, but they are not easy to find. There are many reasons job shadowing has fallen out of favor. Increasing concerns about proprietary information and confidentiality are large contributing reasons. Proprietary information is like the secret sauce in a recipe that makes a company a lot of money. Companies do not want this information getting out and therefore limit the exposure visitors have to the inner workings of their company. Confidentiality is keeping information about clients private. Employers concerned about proprietary information and confidentiality may provide little to no job shadowing opportunities for liability reasons. Discover why job shadowing programs are not easy to find. Job shadowing costs employers money because their employees are having their work impeded. By taking the time to explain their job to your child, who is following them around like a shadow. Therefore, many employers do not like to provide job shadowing opportunities because it costs them money. However, not all employers view the cost as detrimental. Smart employers know they need a pipeline of fresh talent to their organization. They know as people retire, leave, or are fired, employment opportunities become available in their organization and need to be filled quickly. If an organization cannot continuously fill open job positions, it will cost the organization more money in the long run than the cost of providing job shadowing opportunities to cultivate a workforce. A great way to identify potential job shadowing opportunities is to look for organizations that heavily invest in the future workforce. Organizations that offer a lot of financial resources in the form of scholarships and tuition reimbursement typically offer job shadowing opportunities. These organizations are investing large sums of money and they want to be sure their funds are being used wisely. It is within the organization's best interest to make sure your child demonstrates vocation prior to awarding him or her financial benefits to pay for college. The best way to help your child discover if a particular career path is suitable for him or her is to grant your child access to the profession via job shadowing. A great example of organizations that are well known to continuously invest in the future workforce are health organizations. For example, let's take a quick look at John Muir Health in California's Bay Area. This organization offers more than job shadowing. Their website displays links for the Health Occupation Students of America, HOSA, which is a national professional organization for high school and college students interested in healthcare career, scholarships, and volunteering opportunities. Organizations that invest in their workforce will usually offer a variety of opportunities. This is nice because it offers your child multiple levels of engagement. If after a 4-hour job shadowing session, your child is interested in learning more, then your child can sign up for volunteering opportunities to become further engaged. Avoid stereotyping. It could cost your child a good career. Stereotyping is a tricky subject. Oftentimes, a stereotype develops as a way to quickly summarize a situation and give it a label. Then you make decisions about whether or not you want to be associated with that label. For example, what do you think of when I suggest your child explore careers in manufacturing? What types of images come to mind? Is it anything like this? Is it a person doing a redundant task all day long, like at the 6-minute and 30-second mark of this video, early tire manufacturing in the 1930s? Or do you tend to think of manufacturing to be like this, where manufacturing facilities are primarily automated with robots, like in the short video, 1 minute 24-second video, meet Iceman and Wolverine, the two coolest robots in Tesla's car factory. If the first thought that came to your mind was anything like the first image, then what feelings and attitudes do you have about your child pursuing a career in this area? Do you feel like this is a dead-end job, or do you see this as an opportunity for employment that can positively contribute to society? Well, vehicles are still being driven on the road and still need tires. There are good jobs available in the manufacturing industry because of technological advancements. For example, we'll just take a look and we'll look at fleets of large 18-wheeler trucks that deliver goods around the country. Tires on these trucks experience a lot of wear and tear. Rather than use a lot of raw material to create new tires and fill landfills with old tires, tires can have their life extended by being retreaded. Trucking companies can save money and have tires that provide the same level of performance as higher-priced new tires, while at the same time helping the environment. With one of the highest post-consumer contents of any recycled products, I encourage you to watch the 10-minute and 59-second video, Retread Plant Tour. If the first thought that came to your mind was the highly automated factory, you may have laughed at the idea of your child getting a job in a factory. The need for human labor has drastically been reduced because of advancing technology. You may have half-jokingly thought to yourself, are humans still needed at manufacturing facilities? As the level of sophistication in manufacturing has increased, so has the level and the need for knowledge and skilled operators to operate such expensive equipment. Now, for further understanding, I highly encourage you to check out and watch the 4-minute and 54-second video, Tesla Model S Car is Made. Tesla Motor Vehicles Part 1, presented by Wired. Now, to be considered highly skilled labor requires far more education today than generations past. Let's take a look at some of the jobs currently available at Tesla's manufacturing car plant in Fremont, California at the time of writing this blog post. I want you to notice the relationship between education and job experience required. In general, the more relevant college degrees a person has, the less experience that is required for a position. Associated Press Sustaining Engineer. BS or MS degree on chemical, material, electrical, industrial, mechanical engineering. 1 to 3 years of experience in manufacturing industrial environment is preferred. Controls Engineer. BS or MS electrical engineering or equivalent majors in controls and computer control systems, mechatronics engineering, automation engineering. 5+ years of experience as a hands-on controls engineer or application engineer working on automation and or electromechanical systems. Associate Project Engineer. Bachelor's degree in engineering or related field. 5 years experience in project execution, ideally with multiple delivered projects in a medium to high volume industry. And individual contributor design engineering experience is highly valued. Associate Manager, Powertrain Production Electronics. Minimum bachelor's degree required. Minimum of 7 to 10 years of related experience. Associate Manager General Assembly, BS or higher degree, or the equivalent in experience of evidence of exceptional ability. 10 plus years experience working in a fast-paced, high-volume manufacturing environment. While these particular jobs are not entry-level positions, I want you to help your child to think in terms of a career rather than just getting a job. I want you to show your child what is possible. I want your child to start checking out the career pages on companies' websites. This will help your child understand what types of college degrees are needed in order to get a good job. I also want your child to start thinking about what types of companies he or she wants to work for. Personally, I like companies like Tesla because the company has a good reputation, good products, and good jobs, and is working towards a worthy goal of helping the world transition to sustainable transport. Tesla Motors was founded in 2003 by a group of engineers in Silicon Valley who wanted to prove that electric cars could be better than gasoline-powered cars. With instant torque, incredible power, and zero emissions, Tesla's products would be cars without compromise. Each new generation would be increasingly affordable, helping the company work towards its mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable transport. The company is expanding its manufacturing footprint into other areas. The Gigafactory will also produce battery packs intended for use in stationary storage, helping to improve robustness of the electronic grid, reduce energy costs for businesses and residents, and provide a backup power supply. Tesla is not just an automaker, but also a technological and design company with a focus on energy innovation. There's increasing awareness that children today need guidance to be trained to become skilled at working in these types of companies. According to the North Bay Area Business Journal, North San Francisco, Bay Area, Sonoma, Napa, and Marin counties article, popularity grows for manufacturing job shadow program. According to the article, much of that demand is a result as a wave of baby boomers retiring from the workforce. With the acceleration of technical automation and precision QC, quality control skills need to be competitive in a global market. Our manufacturers have to be more involved in training and outreach in today's best students than they have been in years past. Advancing manufacturing is the top 10 fastest growing industries in Sonoma County that nobody knows about, said Jerry Miller, Dean of Career and Technical Education and Economic Development at SRJC Santa Rosa Junior College. You have these large facilities that need talent and need to retain talent. I want you to be aware of your attitude about manufacturing jobs. I want you to stop stereotyping manufacturing jobs as being low to middle class jobs because it could cost your child a good career. The reality is manufacturing is becoming more sophisticated and the market needs more highly educated workforce. Learn how to spot employers investing in the next generation. The easiest way to spot employers investing in the next generation is to look for areas with labor shortage. The employers that need a large labor workforce are most likely to invest in cultivating a future workforce if there is not enough talented and skilled workers in the area. These employers will team up with local colleges to craft a school curriculum that prepares students for the workforce. For example, let's look at a power company that has partnered with a local college, Luminant, a competitive power generation business and subsidiary of Energy Future Holdings Corporations, partnered with Tyler Junior College, TJC, and Tyler Economic Development Council to form Luminant Academy. Founded in 2006, Luminant Academy provides technical, lean manufacturing, and leadership training for current and future laminate employees. The Power Track program was designed as a means of replenishing the company's technical leadership at its power plants in Texas. The Career Development Program provides an inside track to a career in the power plant industry. In 2008, Laminate constructed two-story, 24,000 square foot training facility on TJC's West Campus that includes classrooms, training labs, and a high-fidelity boiler simulators that emulate the actual operation of Luminant power plants. Luminant invested $1.7 million in the academy, which is staffed with 10 employees as well as outside trainers and instructors. Luminant Academy trains nearly 300 students per year. Luminant also provides financial assistance in the form of scholarships to students going through their joint venture program with the local community college. Your child can earn an Associate of Science degree and Certificate of Proficiency that allows your child to become qualified for entry-level employment in their power plant. When new deals like this are announced, there will be a lot of press releases, so they're easy to find and read about. To find out more about current deals, I suggest you be active in your community. It is likely that joint venture partnerships that benefit the community will be celebrated publicly. It is likely there will be plaques around the community displaying the community's pride. The community may commemorate the partnership with celebrations and provide a plaque on a statue in public parks, at farmers markets, and displayed in the city hall. It is also likely that the power plant and college will be supporters of community events. Sponsorship is a great way to remind members of the community and to inform newbies about their program to encourage your child to be enrolled in their program. It is a good idea to be active in your local community because it will help you find local opportunities. Most job shadowing opportunities are created by companies that need to cultivate a qualified workforce within their geographic location. As such, most advertisements are going to be circulated in local rather than national publications. Companies will also update their websites, but it might not be easy to find this information with a general online search. Companies do not want or need to spend money to rank well on a global search engines for keywords when they want to target a local audience. These companies are also less likely to invest money in advertising to local search engine optimization. The people currently in upper management who control the purse strings did not grow up with search engines and will likely feel uncomfortable investing in a method they know little about. As they near retirement age, they are less likely to take risks that may blemish their reputation if they don't get it right. Therefore, companies are likely to continue to invest advertising dollars in local publications rather than targeting local online traffic. Therefore, the best thing to do is to consistently be active in your community and keep up with the local news. Companies that invest in the next generation will find ways to encourage young people to explore possibilities of working in their industry. They look for ways to expose your child to career opportunities while protecting proprietary information and maintaining confidentiality. There are lots of good opportunities for your child to job shadow, even though these opportunities may not be easy to find. Whether or not you will be able to help your child see these opportunities that are in front of both of you will depend on your attitude and outlook. If you continue to stereotype, it could cost your child a good career. If you move forward with the idea of exploring career options as they are, then you will be in a better position to assist your child in making better career decisions. When your child job shadows, your child gets a glimpse into the industry as it is, not as it was. Share this blog post with your child and discuss how job shadowing can help your child explore career options. Bonus is another video I encourage you to check out. It's 16 minutes and 2 seconds, and it's called Factory Machines, Master or Slave, 1940 Post-World Ideology, provides insight as to how automation impacts the economy. The video presents the employees' and business owners' point of view regarding automation. Mounting inventories occur because automation results in more goods being produced than are consumed. This provides business owners with new challenges. Thank you for taking the time to join me today. If you really enjoyed this information, then I certainly encourage you to subscribe and go to the website grabyourfreegift.com/crystalo, CRYSTALO. What I do is every week I send out a weekly blog post as well as a motivational quote and occasional bonuses. And I encourage you to create a file within your email system of !career conversationalist. This way you can save the emails and have easy access to them to reference them going forward in the future. Also, I just want to take a quick moment to go ahead and thank Google for the technology that is making this available. This recording is being recorded on Google's Hangouts, and if for some reason you are not able to be on the live recording, then you can access it via YouTube, which is also available because of Google. So thank you again, once again, Google, and thank you for your time. I look forward to spending time with you, and I'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.